girls. Brian stayed home with Ben so he could kind of have a day off. Ben. So we have no stroller and no bags, which is going to be quite lovely. You going on that one? We have a couple of fast passes, but we're really here to see the candlelight procession tonight. Brian and I discussed it last night and didn't think that it was the best idea for Ben to wait in line one or to sit through singing and telling the story of Jesus. So he probably would have been a bit distracted. So it's just the girls and I, and we are going to go and try and see it at 5 o'clock. And if we don't get in there, try the 6:30 and then maybe the 8:15 if we have to. But we have a couple fast passes sprinkled in and it's lovely today. If you can see, we all have our coats on. It's only in the 60s, but it's very sunny. So it's a little warm in the sun, but as soon as that sun goes down, we're gonna be pretty chilly, I think. So we've seen these the last time that we came in, and they're little maps that have stickers. And we go around and we find Chippendale, and thank you, Brooke, and see what they're holding, and we fill this out with all the different countries, and then we return it and we get some greeting cards that we can send to our family and friends. Maybe some of our patrons will get them. The girls wanted to do this today, and so I figured since we didn't have Ben, it might be an easy way to do it as we walk around World Showcase. We actually have a fast pass for Spaceship Earth behind us in about 10 minutes, so we're just gonna kind of hang out around here and then head on over to Spaceship Earth to do our first ride of the day. We found Chippendale in Mexico. We won't give you any hints. We were able to find them and what they were holding, so now we're gonna head up to Norway. We just finished in Norway. We found Chippendale and what they were holding. We're able to fill that in on our map. We're 2 in. There's quite a few more to go. The girls also wanted to wait an hour to ride the Frozen ride, so we did. We waited for an hour for a very short ride, but was it worth it, girls? They say it's worth it. Alrighty, we're gonna head over to China, see if we can find Chippendale, and work our way towards the candlelight procession. So getting into the 5 o'clock, apparently people start waiting in line at 11 in the morning. That's not me. There is some standing room only, but I'd really like to sit and see it and really hear the music. So we're gonna try and find some dinner, and maybe we'll try the 8:15 show. The guy said that it's a little lighter at the 8:15 show, so we'll see. We're gonna try Liberty Inn public dining room. It looks like you go up and get your food and then come and sit down. Alrighty, I got the chicken sandwich that has like pimento cheese and stuff. Brooke got the kids marinara. Pasta marinara.
I got this too.
What is that?
It's a banana one.
Oh, a banana yogurt?
Yeah.
And Tara got a cheeseburger.
With the cheese on the bottom?
The cheese on the bottom.
I'm just gonna flip the patty.
Whatever. And then we got their like signature cookie crunch cupcake.
It's a marshmallow. It's like a hot chocolate cupcake.
Okay.
Mommy, now can we eat?
Now we can eat. Where did we have to look? Up. Have we had to look up for most of them? Yeah. So there's a hint for everybody. If you're doing the Christmas tree spree, you have to look up in the different places to find them.
They're like in all the wreaths.
Oh yeah, they're in the wreaths. Yep. I've never had a chance to just kind of stop and look out over the water. We've always been rushing to get somewhere or to get cranky children home. It's so pretty to just look out over the water and see all the different countries lit up. I'm really digging this, not rushing around with Ben. It's very, very nice. So we finished all of the tree spree. All right. We get a little thing there. We get greeting cards.
And Mickey.
Which ones should we get, Tara? You wanna get the mini ones? Alrighty, we'll get mini. Thanks for coming along to Epcot with us today, me and the girls. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, if you see us out and about at the parks, to stop by and say hi to us. We always love meeting new people. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.